Hello everyone and welcome to the Ascendra International Forum. My name is Miko and I'm honored to introduce to you a new generation solution startup called Ascendra International. This presentation is specially made for our foreign friends and partners who wants to understand what Ascendra is all about, our mission, our vision, and the kind of impact we aim to build. So right now, we're still in our soft operations here in the Philippines. So with our grand launch happening this coming January to February 2026. So remember, all marketing plans and commissions are currently in Philippine peso. But as we grow, we are preparing to expand across different countries. So please take this session as your briefing and preparation so that in the future you can position yourself early and be one of the pioneers in your nation. So let me start with a simple question. In Ascendra, you are the most important person. So we want to ask you, do you want to succeed in life? You know what? Everyone dreams of success, but very few truly understand what it really means. Now, here in Ascendra International, we want to emphasize that we believe success is not just about money. It is all about growing in different aspects of your life. It could be your knowledge, your health, your finance, but most importantly for us, your purpose. Because for us, real progress is holistic. It's not just having more, but becoming more. You know, when we talk about progress, we look at it in three main aspects. First, you need to have the right knowledge and skills because your ability to earn and lead will always depend on what you know and how you grow. This connects to our mastery solution, which focus on personal development, leadership, and entrepreneurship education. Second, it's very hard despite of you earning a lot if you are not healthy. So health is very important because no amount of wealth can replace your well-being. That's why we also have vitality solutions that we will talk about later. And third, financial, because stability and independence can allow you to serve others better. That's where our protection on finance and financial independence solutions will come in that we will tackle in a while, helping members that will secure their future. So you know what? In life, these are the aspects that we want to progress. But remember this, we ask you right now, how do you want to succeed? Do you want to succeed alone or you can succeed with someone beside you, having a partner? You know, the truth is, this is a no-brainer because in reality, no one truly succeeds alone. There's no such thing as a self-made millionaire. We don't believe on that. Every achiever had mentors, a community, and the right environment. You know, remember, human beings, we are all social beings. We are all designed to connect, to belong, and to collaborate. And when you have the right partner to journey with you, the journey will become faster, easier, and of course, more fulfilling. And that is why you are in the right place. Introducing Ascendra International, your partner in progress. You know, our tagline says it all. We are a network solutions company with one mission: to help committed dreamers like you watching this video grow by providing clarity through proper tools, structured learning, and reliable system that will create impact beyond profit. Now, let's meet the people behind the vision because here you need to have somebody. You will partner with some of the partners that will journey with you to your progress. Here are our founders. You know, they call themselves, or we call themselves, founders. We call ourselves founders because we believe that no one owns the solution of Ascendra International. They are found. The solutions we have are born from shared experiences of other people in our industry, the years of exposure, the struggles, the breakthroughs of every entrepreneur who actually dared to build something better in the network marketing field. So we don't own this. This is just found and it's ready to share to everyone. So first of the people that will partner with you is none other than Joseph Lim. He is our Chief Strategy Officer. known for his strategy and courage, a respected business architect, and of course, a visionary leader that helps a lot of people in the network marketing industry. Second is Jurgen Gonzalez, our Chief Executive Officer. Admired for his intelligence and integrity, Jurgen is a deep thinker, an engineer in profession before he came in the industry of network marketing. He is also an innovator with years of proven leadership in business, growth, and transformation. A well-credible and reliable leader. And of course, third, myself, yours truly, Miko Imson. I'm going to be your Chief Operations Officer, embodying hard work and principles. I'll be dedicated to build structure and system for our sustainable partnership. And last but definitely not the least, Miss Francesca Fugen. She is our Chief Finance Officer. She is a serial entrepreneur known for her compassion and conviction. You know, leading with heart and empowering many in the financial and business community. With their credibility and reliability, you can be confident that you're partnering with the right people to move forward with Ascendra International. Now, these founders are just few of the many success partners that you will be growing with. Because here at Ascendra International, we will build success together with these three important I's of progress. The three I's are improvement, independence, and innovation. These three are not just principles, they are the framework for real success. So let's start off with the first one. Let's start with improvement. You know, in Ascendra International, we believe that it's impossible to progress without the willingness to improve. And the goal is very simple, to become the MVP of your life. And to do that, you need the MVP: mastery, vitality, and protection. These are the three core solutions of Ascendra that is offered to everyone, designed to develop your knowledge and skills, health, and financial foundation. So let's begin with the first solution, the mastery solution. You know, at Ascendra, we invest heavily in clarity, in mastery, and in education, because mastery creates value. And remember, value attracts money. We built a complete entrepreneurial flight course, a clear rank-based roadmap from associate, builder, consultant, director, executive, and up to all the partnership ranks, up to becoming a legacy partner. Every stage, you will definitely know exactly what to learn, what to master, and how to grow. And to guide the journey, we created the Ascend Program Masterclasses. This Ascend Program Masterclass is where learning meets real-life growth. This will be led by industry experts. Our modules and designs are designs for today's era of entrepreneurship. You know, we use social media, content creation. We will be teaching people about finance and leadership as practical tools for success. The members and the teachers here are not just the founders, but the founding partners, and all experts coming from different industry are collaborated for us members to maximize this in Ascendra International. Here, you can learn on-site through our live events. You can also learn online through our virtual trainings, or you can go on demand anytime, anywhere through our web app or mobile app. You know, each course comes with assessments, practical challenges, and success partner feedback to ensure every lesson turns into tangible progress. This masterclass is practical, it is progressive, and it unleashes your full potential. And of course, second solution is the vitality solution. We believe true wealth includes your well-being and longevity. That's why we offer world-class wellness products. Here, let's start with Best Barley. Best Barley will be your daily detox and immunity drink. It's made by pure barley, rich in chlorophyll and fiber that will make sure that will make your gut healthy. Because the healthier your gut and your digestion is, the stronger your immune system will be. Next will be Barley Fusion, a premium blend for vitality, detox, and skin health, because we added other active ingredients apart from barley. We have the fenugreek, we have the glutathione and collagen that will help you more stronger, healthy, and beautiful at the same time. And of course, last but not the least, our flagship, Omega Life, a next generation full spectrum omega supplement from the clean fjords of Norway. You know, it contains omega 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, and 11, plus the king of antioxidant, astaxanthin. It is made in Italy with Optigel delayed release soft gel for better absorption, zero aftertaste, and no reflux. This Omega Life is super pure, potent, and exclusively distributed by Ascendra International. And of course, third solution is protection. We believe before you earn big, you must first secure your foundation. And that is why we want to make sure that everyone here, all right, with our founders, all right, and all of our founding partners, we believe that it's very important for us to understand insurance. Here we have a personal accident and income protection insurance. You know, it's always better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. So through our basic AI and premium AI coverage, members enjoy a 24/7 protection, peace of mind, and readiness for life's uncertainties. But please take note, as we are still in our soft operations, these insurance solutions are currently available only in the Philippines. So now, we all have these solutions, the mastery, vitality, and protection. You can now start your journey through our enrollment packages. You can begin as an associate, builder, consultant, director, or executive. You know, each package includes our MVP solutions with real value in every set. You know, in Ascendra, we follow a one account policy, okay? One person per one account. You can upgrade as you grow or start. You can also start directly to the maximum enrollment package, and that is the executive package, if you are really ready to move fast and go higher towards the partnership ranks better. All right? So now that we have embraced improvement and are enjoying our MVP, the mastery, vitality, and protection solution, it's time to move to the second I of progress, and that is the independence. The second I is independence. And Ascendra, we believe that earning money is just simple, but most importantly, managing money is the real key to financial freedom. That's why we teach our members the basic of finance through the concept of having a minimum of 3 accounts. And that is the 3 account of financial independence, because money must have direction and allocation. So we believe to achieve financial independence, you must understand where your money goes. So let us show you this. The first is your essential account. This covers your everyday needs. This can cover your rents, bills, foods, and supplies. Second is your expansion account. This is where wealth creation will happen. You must have your savings and investment so that life will not just repeat and repeat year after year. There must be progress and growth in your life. And third is your enjoyment account, your lifestyle fund for travel, leisure, and rewards. It's very important that you enjoy your money so that you will not easily get burned out. You know, when you know how to allocate your income, you gain control, not just over your finance, but over your future. So even with the financial knowledge that we have this time, okay, remember this, even you know all of this, these are just information. It is very important that we must apply it and put income inside these wallets or inside this income. And that is why, until today, there are still financial problems. And this is how it happens. These are the 3 major financial problems. Number 1, essential income is not enough. Even though I know how to allocate, if the essential income is not enough, then that's a big problem. Second, there is no emergency fund or savings. And third, most of the people, they prioritize enjoyment over their needs. So how do we fix this? In Ascendra International, we have the solutions for you. As you enroll here, we will solve your financial independence. Apart from enjoying the mastery, vitality, and protection solution, here we will solve your financial problems through these three accounts. So as we solve the first problem, here we have the solution. Our solution is very simple. Add your cash flow. You need to increase and expand it. And the best way to do that is through sales. You need to know how to sell. Many people are allergic to selling. But the truth is, we sell every day. We sell our time, our skills, and ideas in exchange for value. Because remember, value manifests money. At Ascendra, we help you sell something that creates real impact. Our solutions, the MVP, that improves lives. You can start by sharing our enrollment packages or our MVP solution in retail. You can sell it through the products or service per person. Remember this truth in money. Money follows value. When you create value for others, income naturally will follow you. All right? Now, look at this. Every time you refer someone who enrolls, you earn a direct referral bonus. Remember, the higher the package you refer, you will get a bigger bonus. You will receive a bigger bonus. So if you look at the bottom part, for example, if you are an executive and you refer an associate, you get 1,700 Philippine peso. If you're an executive and you refer a builder, you earn 3,500. If you're an executive and you refer a consultant, you earn 9,000 pesos. If you're an executive and you refer a director, you earn 22,000 pesos. And if you are an executive who sponsored and referred another executive enrollment package, you earn 40,000 pesos. That is a maximum of 20% direct referral bonus per enrollment package. But remember, there's a table here because if you're at a lower rank, you will still earn, a smaller amount if you will refer a higher rank. So to maximize your income potential, you need to upgrade as you progress, or you can go straight to executive. It's very simple. The more you grow, the more you earn. All right? So the next way to add your essential income is to by offering products and services, because we have a big rebate as you sell retail of our products, our world-class products. It's a very sustainable way to grow your essential income while promoting something that truly helps people's lives to become better. We offer 28% to a maximum of 50% rebate when you promote our products. That's how you build not just income, but independence through impact of other people's life. All right? Now that we have solved the first financial problem, now that you can add stream of income, there's no excuse. The limited essential income is now solved. Let's move on to the second. The second problem is having no emergency fund or savings. So, for you to create wealth, here at Ascendra, our solution is expansion account. And the best way to grow this account is by expanding your influence and multiplying your time through leverage. That means using the power of teamwork, building, training, and helping others succeed. Because in Ascendra, when you refer and enroll someone, you don't just earn once. You can open the opportunity to build a team of resellers, a team of entrepreneurs, and future leaders like you. So if your essential account is about earning from your own effort, here, your expansion account is about earning from the collective effort of your entire organization. And how do we do that? Through our innovative compensation engine and our own patented computation engine called Turbo, the Triple Unified Recurring Bonus. So, Turbo stands for Triple Unified Recurring Bonus. It's one of Ascendra's most powerful and original system, our very own patented compensation engine. Now, we call it Turbo or triple unified because it combines three powerful, no? It combines three powerful computation into one unified system. The unified binary, the unified unilevel, and the unified override. It is unified because you simultaneously earn both from the product sales and the enrollment package sales of your whole organization, and it is computed into three different computation simultaneously working together and automatically. That means with just one effort, you earn in three different ways repeatedly and sustainably. That's why it's called recurring bonus. So let's start with the first computation, the unified binary. No? So from the word by, meaning two, here you will build two sales group, your left group and your right group. So every person you refer can be positioned on either side. Each enrollment package and every retail product has a corresponding binary value, as you can see on the table on your left side. So remember, in Ascendra International, one binary value or one BV equals to 1 Philippine peso, so that you will not have a hard time to compute anymore. Now, here's a simple example. If you're enrolled, for example, as an executive, and you referred Jurgen as an executive also, you earn a 40,000 direct referral bonus, like what we have explained a while ago. Now, if you will position him on your left side, for example, then you refer another person in the name of J. Lim or Joseph Lim, also an executive enrollment, you will earn another 40,000 direct referral bonus, and if you position him on the right side of your team. Now, each executive package have 10,000 binary value, as you can see on the table. When your left side and right side both have 10,000 binary value, they will match or pair. We call that the pairing bonus or matching bonus. Now, you earn additional 10,000 pesos on top of your referral income. So in total, you earned a 90,000 from your two partners that enrolled. And that is just the beginning. Now let's see what happens when you keep referring. So here, for example, you have two additional friends that you refer. Let's name it Ses. Let's name them Ses and Miko. And both executive package also. Because each account only has two positions, that is the left and the right. You need to place them under your existing partners. So Ses goes under, all right, Jurgen, okay, on the left side, and Miko goes under J-Lim on the right side. So here, in this scenario, you still earn 40,000 pesos each as your direct referral bonuses for Ses and Miko. But because Ses and Miko falls under your left organization and right organization, again, a 10,000 binary value from Ses and from Miko will again pair and match, so you earn another 10,000 unified binary commission. So here's the beautiful part. While you are earning, you're also helping your team grow. This structure creates what we call spillovers. Your success contributes to your partner's success. It's teamwork in action, right? Progress that uplifts everyone. So to better emphasize it, let's look at J-Lim's perspective, for example. If J-Lim also starts building his team and refers Teen, for example, who enrolls as an executive as well, J-Lim will be the one to earn the 40,000 direct referral because he was the one who referred Teen. Now, because Miko, whom you spilled over, is already on his right side, J-Lim automatically will earn another 10,000 pairing bonus apart from the 40,000 direct referral, despite of him bringing just one person, and that is Teen on his left. That is because the 10,000 binary value from Miko that flows to you also flows to J-Lim. Thus, that's what makes the binary system in Ascendra so powerful. It's a helping structure. Even if you're still learning or starting slow, your success partners above can still help you grow because their referrals can flow down to your team, creating value and volume under your organization. And I'm telling you, your success partners that shared you this video won't stop referring, right? So now that Teen is under JLIM, her executive package adds another 10,000 binary value to your own perspective or to your own right group. Because Teen, if you look at your perspective, is under your right organization. So the question is, what if Jurgen's team or CES, for example, focuses more on retail sales rather than new enrollments? Well, that's a no problem because every product also has its own binary value, as you can see on the left side of the table. So when CES sells best barley with 7 BV or barley fusion with 10 BV, those value will immediately, all right, this immediately match with the weighting BV or binary value on the other side. So you instantly earn matching bonuses even from small sales. We don't need to complete and consolidate all of those points or values to 10,000 for you to earn money. No, we call this the instant match payout. Your organization keeps earning even while you're asleep. As long as movement and sales are happening within your network, there is 7 pesos, 10 pesos, 15, 20, 35 pesos while sleeping goes to your account as it match on the strong side, right? Of course, for the protection and long-term sustainability of our company and all our members, we also have a maximum binary income, and that is weekly. This caps ensures fairness and stability across the entire network. So for example, if you're an executive, your maximum binary income is actually 750,000 per week. That is 3 million per month. Now, as you rank up, your weekly limit increase, allowing you to scale your earning as your leadership grows. But now, let's say you're already hit your weekly cap. So congratulations. Here in this example, Jurgen and his organization have 1 million binary value and JLIM have 750,000 binary value. So you earn 750,000 pesos on your unified binary income. So if this happens from Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, for example, another days happens and there's a weighting of 250,000 binary value under the organization of Jurgen, and another 50,000 binary value was produced in the next coming days, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, that 50,000 binary value will match, all right? But it will not be paid out to you anymore after the remaining 200,000 binary value under Jurgen. Okay? Because we call this now the strong leg retention. So this will be the next cycle. This will be ready for the next computation next week. Okay? That's why we call it the strong leg retention. Your effort and your team's momentum are never wasted. Everything keeps building towards your next cycle. So growth becomes continuous, accumulative, and sustainable. All right? So now let's move forward to the second powerful computation. And then we call it the of the turbo engine. We call it the unified unilevel. Right? Earlier, we talked about the binary, where we focus on building two sides, the strong leg and the pairing leg, or the left and right. But here, this time, we talk about the unified unilevel. You know, in Ascendra, every package and every product have an equivalent unilevel value seen on the left side of the table. All right? So it's almost the same with the unified binary. But this time, there's a different allocation for every package and product. Now, the difference here is that regardless if it's under the left or under the right, your income will be computed depending on a level. All right? The structure here is different. So this is how it works. Everyone you personally sponsor becomes part of your first level. And the great thing is there is no limit. You can personally sponsor as many people as you want, and they will all be part of your first level. Now, the people that your first level partners personally sponsored becomes your second level, and those sponsored by your second level becomes your third level, and so on and so forth. So all the way down to your 10th level. So as your network grows deeper, your earning potential compounds over time, all right? So here's the exciting part. For every package or every product sold within your first up to your 10th level, you earn 10% of the total Unilevel generated by your organization. So let's use an example for better understanding. So, for example, all right, your whole organization, okay, generated 100 executive package. So here, each executive package has a Unilevel value of 3,000 UV. So just simply multiply 100 to 3,000, that is equals to 300,000 UV. And since you earn 10% of that from the whole organization, you will receive 30,000 pesos in your Unilevel income. Now, what's amazing about this is while you're earning on the binary computation, all right, your Unilevel is also computed all at the same time, simultaneously and continuously. That's the beauty of the unified power of Turbo Engine. All right. Now let's move to the third and most long-term computation, the unified override. Now, on the unified override, it's very simple. This is the part of the turbo system that ensures your long-term success and sustainability. Because here, you don't just earn from your own efforts, you earn as your team also earns. Alright? So the unified override gives you an additional bonus computed from the total binary and Unilevel income of your organization. It will also base on your rank. So for example, if you are at the executive rank, here at the left side of the table, you receive 10% on the binary override and 10% on the Unilevel override from your first level. So that means every time your personally sponsored partners earn from their own binary and Unilevel computation, you also earn a percentage as a reward for leading, guiding, and supporting your team. So can you imagine? So let me show you. Here's a clear example, okay? So let's say your 4 direct partners, Ces, Jurgen, Jalim, and Miko, all earned 100,000 pesos each from their own unified binary computation. So since they're all part of your first level, you will receive 10% additional from each of their total binary income. So that is 10,000 pesos per partner. Alright? So if you multiply that to 4, that is 40,000 additional income for you on your unified binary override. And here's what's great. Their earnings are not reduced at all. This override comes directly from the company as a leadership bonus for you, recognizing your effort in helping your team succeed. And the same goes for the Unilevel. If those same 4 partners, Ces, Jurgen, Jalim, and Miko, earned 50,000 pesos each from their own Unilevel income, then you will receive an additional 10% Unilevel override, which is 5,000 pesos per partner, a total of 20,000 pesos. So combine that, you will earn 40,000 from the binary, 20,000 from Unilevel override. You earn a total of 60,000 unified override income. Now, imagine this, guys. Your binary earnings, your Unilevel earnings, and your override earnings are all working together, running simultaneously, and recurring month after month from every effort of your organization. So one effort, you're earning on your own binary, you're earning on your own Unilevel, and you are also earning from your overrides from the binary income of your team and the Unilevel income of your team. That's the full power of the turbo or triple unified recurring bonus. You earn from your efforts, from your team's efforts, and even as your leaders and partners succeed. You know, because here in Ascendra, we believe you can achieve your dreams when you help enough people achieve their own dreams. All right? Now that we understand that, all right, this time, okay, let me show you here a full example, okay, of our recurring bonus. So here, for example, each one of your directs have successfully referred 20 executives on the left and 20 executives on the right. Guess what? You will have 80 on the left and 80 on the right. You earn 800,000 on the binary income. But at the same time, those same 20 in the same month with the same earning at 800,000, it was also computed on your Unilevel, so you earned additional 48,000 all at the same time. And apart from that, also, you earn additional override of 80,000 on the binary of Ces, Jurgen, Jalim, and Miko, and you also earn Unilevel override of 4,800 for a total of 84,800 or on your unified override income. So these three incomes or computation are all your earnings from the same effort of your team on the same month. That is the power of triple unified recurring bonus. This is the unique computation engine of Ascendra International. First in the world, right? Now, the third financial problem that most people face is this. Many tend to prioritize their enjoyment over necessity. So they spend first, then save later. And that often leads to financial instability. So here in Ascendra, we design a system that allows you to enjoy without guilt and without hurting your finance. And our solution is the enjoyment account, also known as our lifestyle fund. So this is how it uniquely works, no? It's a very unique feature that helps you prepare and earn from the things you love. Okay? Your shopping, your gadget, your travel. So this is how it works, all right? Every package and product have actually an equivalent performance value or PV. Okay? So every package and product that is sold across the entire company every month have an equivalent product value. And each PV or performance value, each performance value is equivalent to 1 pesos. So 1 pesos in real value. So these PVs are gathered in place into a lifestyle pool fund, which becomes the collective source for all our enjoyment rewards. So here's the exciting part. This fund is not just coming from your own personal sales or organization performance. It's built from the total company-wide production, meaning everyone contributes and everyone has the opportunity to benefit. So the total lifestyle fund is now divided into 6 categories: shopping, gadget, travel fund, car fund, luxury car fund, and property fund. Each category has simple qualification requirement based on performance and personal purchase activity. So when you meet the requirements for any level, you automatically qualify for the month's bonus, giving you an extra reward on top of your essential and expansion account earnings. So imagine this, while you're earning on your essential account, okay, if it provides your daily income, and you also earn on your expansion account from the production of your team that builds long-term leverage, you also enjoy an enjoyment account that gives you the freedom to enjoy your success today. So this is what we call financial independence through balanced earning, expanding, and enjoying all at once through Ascendra's 3-account system. That is powerful. All right? And now, as you're ready to improve and build your independence, always remember the key that keeps everything move forward is innovation. This is what makes Ascendra truly unique. Our power to innovate doesn't stop at products and compensation only. It transforms how people grow, build, and lead businesses. So we call our innovation the ACES of Ascendra, which stands for AI-powered, create your own brand, enterprise building, and shared profit. So let's start with being AI-powered. You know, here in Ascendra, we maximize technology like no one else in the industry. We have our own AI companion that serves as our personal business assistant. Can you imagine having your own personal secretary? Instead of hiring your own secretary, here you have a very intelligent AI companion giving you real-time insights, smart suggestions about your business, and automation to help you scale faster and make smarter decisions in our business. Next, enterprise building. When you reach the enterprise partner rank, Ascendra will help you register your own company. Can you imagine that? Yes, you will officially become a founder, a CEO, a real entrepreneur running your own enterprise with our full support and business solution. All right? So you will not become just an agent, distributor, or networker here for the rest of your life. Here, our goal is to make you a company owner of your own. And then, when we have the create your own brand, once you reach the brand partner level, we will open the door for white label opportunities. You can now create your own product brand. You can formulate, okay, your own product with our accredited suppliers. Right? And Ascendra will help you launch and distribute it under your own name. So that means you're not just earning commissions from our compensation engine, but you're also earning ownership and revenue from your own product. All right? Isn't that amazing? That is the goal of Ascendra International. Our dream is to have a lot of company partners that we will serve. And the owners of those company partners is you as our partner in progress. And finally, we have here the shared profit or profit sharing. You know, when you reach the legacy partner level, all right, you get to share in Ascendra's international total profit as a reward for growing with us from the beginning. Because in Ascendra, we believe in building impact beyond profit. So as you reach that level of legacy, we will continuously empower committed dreamers to rise and grow and help others do the same in creating legacy. We are not just here to earn, but we are here to build legacy. All right? So for all our foreign friends staying here in the Philippines and for the people that is listening in this video abroad or in different countries, what are you waiting for? This is Ascendra International, your partner in progress. What we're doing here is first in the world. This is an ecosystem that connects technology, business, and purpose all in one platform. You know, the future isn't coming, all right? The future is already here. And right now, remember, we are just getting started. Our grand launch is happening between January and February 2026. I'm actually making this recorded video, all right, in the month of October. We are now currently in the last days of October, last week of October. So this is your chance to be part of something truly pioneering. But remember, we are going to go full blast in expansion next year. So you can start just informing your friends and yourself, preparing yourself to pioneer. All right? You know, guys, opportunities like this doesn't happen twice. There's a reason why you are watching this video right now, because you are meant to be part of the foundation of this movement. This is not just a company. This is a mission. This is a movement. So don't wait. All right? The energy can never lie. You can see our Facebook page and you will know the energy that Ascendra International is bringing to revolutionize this industry. So I encourage you to catch the wave, be a pioneer, connect with a person who shared you this video, and start your journey with Ascendra. All right? Together, let's build progress, purpose, and prosperity. Because in Ascendra, we don't just sell, we build future. We don't just hype, we build history. All right? So thank you very much, guys, for listening. And of course, share this video to someone that you know, a foreign friend that we have, or someone who is ready and preparing already in a different country to bring Ascendra solution in their place. God bless you and more power.